Hello children, concept type 2 multiplication by 2-digit numbers. We have learned how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number in previous classes. Let us recall the steps with the help of an example. This is a 4th class active math. Solved example 2, multiply 33 by 12. Answer. We will solve this using two methods. Method 1, using the box multiplication method. Step 1, expand 33 as 30 plus 3 and 12 as 10 plus 2. Find the partial products. 30 into 10 is equal to 300. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. And then 300 into 2 is equal to 60. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Step 2, add the partial products. 30, 300, 3, 30, 60, 6. 300 plus 60 plus 30 plus 6 is equal to 300 plus 90 plus 6 is equal to 396. So 33 into 12 is equal to 396. Multiplication and division. SB-5. Method 2, using the column method. 12 is equal to 10 plus 2, multiply 33 by 2, multiply 33 by 10. Add the two products. Put the digits in a place value table. 33 and 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. First multiply 33 by 2, that is 2 is in ones, and then multiply 33 by 10, then add the products. So 33 into 12 is equal to 396. Let us now learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Solved example 3, multiply 214 by 23. Answer. We will solve this using two methods. Method 1, using the box multiplication method. Step 1, expand 214 as 200 plus 10 plus 4 and 23 as 20 plus 3. Find the partial products. 20 into 3, 20 and 3 write in rows, columns, and then 200 plus 10 plus 4 in columns. 200 into 20, 4000. 10 into 20, 200. 4 into 20, 800. And then multiply by 3. 200 into 3, 600. 10 into 3, 300. 4 into 3, 12. Step 2, add the partial products. 20 and 3, 210, 4, 200 into 20, 4,000, 10 into 20, 200, 4 into 20, 80, 200 into 3, 600, 10 into 3, 330, 4 into 3, 12. 4,000 plus 600 plus 200 plus 30 plus 80 plus 12. 4,000 plus 800 plus 110 plus 12 is equal to 4,922. So 214 into 23 is equal to 4,922. Method 2, using the column method. Write the numbers in the place value table. Write the bigger number on top and the smaller number below it. Step 1, multiply the digit in the ones place of the smaller number by the bigger number. Remember to move from right to left. Regroup if needed. Put the digits in place value table. 214 and 23. 23 means 20 plus 3. 214 into 3. First multiply. 3 into 4 ones is equal to 12 ones is equal to 110 plus 2 ones. 3 into 110 plus 110 is equal to 4 tens. 3 into 200 is equal to 6 hundreds. Multiplication and division SB-6. Step 2. Multiply the digit in the tens place of the smaller number by the bigger number, moving from right to left. Regroup if needed. 214 into 23, 20 plus 3. 214 first multiply by 3 and then 214 multiply by 20. Step 3. Add all the products to get the answer. The product 1 is 642. Product 2 is 4280. Answer is 4922. So 214 into 23 is equal to 4922. Solved example 4. Multiply 2047 by 35. Answer. Method 1, using the box multiplication method. 2047 means 2000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 7. 30 means 30 plus 5. Put rows and in columns. And then 2000 into 30, 60,000. 30 into 0, 0. 30 into 40, 1200. 30 into 7, 210. 5 into 2000, 10,000. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 40, 200. 5 into 7, 35. 60,000 plus 10,000 plus 1,200 plus 200 plus 210 plus 35 is equal to 70,000 plus 1,200 plus 410 plus 35 is equal to 71,645. So 2047 into 35 is equal to 71,645. Method 2, using the column method. Put the digits in their place value table. 2047, 35. 2047 multiply by 35. 35 means 30 plus 5. 2047 first multiply by 5. Then we get the product 10,235. And 2047 multiply by 30. Then we get the product 61,410. Then add two products, get the answer 71,647. So 2047 into 35 is equal to 71,645. Multiplication and division SB-7. Watch out. Write 0 in the ones place of product 2 when multiplying the bigger number by the digit in the tens place. Incorrect answer. Correct answer. 212 multiply by 13. First multiply by 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Then 212 multiply by 10. 10 into 20, 0, 2 carry. 10 into 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry. And 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Then add the two products. 2,756 is the answer. Practice question number 2. Quick math. Multiply 65 by 107. Write 107 as 100 plus 7. 65 into 100 is equal to 6,500. 65 into 7 is equal to 455. 6,500 plus 455 is equal to 6,955. Practice question number 2. Solve the following in your notebook. Question number A. 203 into 33. Put the digits in their place value table. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 203 multiply by 33. 33 means 30 plus 3. First product 1 is, first multiply 203 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 0, 3 2s are 6. Product 2 is 203 multiply by 30. Then the product is 2 is 6090. Answer is add product 1 and product 2. Then we get the answer 6699. So 203 into 33 is equal to 6699. Question number B. 742 into 12 is equal to 8904. This is the column method system of multiplication. Put the digits in their place value. 742 into 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. Product 1 is 742 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. Product 2 is 742 into 10. Product 2 is 7420. Answer is add product 1 and product 2 and then get the answer 8904. So 742 into 12 is equal to 8904. Question number C. 2413 into 11 is equal to 26,543. Put the digits in their place value. Table 2413 multiply by 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. Product 1 is 2413 into 1. 2413. Product 2 is 2413 into 10. 24,130. Answer is 26,543. Question number D. 617 into 58 is equal to 35,786. Put the digits in their place value table. 617 into 58. 58 means 50 plus 8. Product 1 is 617 into 8, 4,936. Product 2 is 617 into 50, 30,850. Answer is 35,786. Question number E. 4,839 into 36 is equal to 1,74,204. 4,839 multiplied by 36. 36 means 30 plus 6. Product 1 is 4,839 into 6. 29,034. Product 2 is 4,839 into 30, 45,170. Add product 1 and product 2, then get the answer 1,74,204. Question number F. 356 into 71. 70 means 70 plus 1. Product 1 is 356 into 1. 356. Product 2 is 356 into 70. 24,920. Add product 1 and 2. Get the answer 25,276. Question number G, 1021 into 41 is equal to 41,861. 1021 multiplied by 41. 41 means 40 plus 1. Product 1 is 1021 into 1. 1021. Product 2 is 1021 into 40. 40,840. Add product 1 and product 2 and get the answer 41,861. Question number H, 809 into 37 is equal to 29,933. Eight not 9 into 37. 37 means 30 plus 7. Product 1 is 809 into 7 is 5,663. Product 2 is 809 into 30 is 24,270. Add product 1 and product 2 and get the answer 29,933. Question number I, 7,009 into 34 is equal to 2,38,306. 7,009 multiplied by 34. 34 means 30 plus 4. Product 1 is 28,036. we get by 7009 into 4. Product 2 is 7009 into 30, 2 lakh 10,270. Add product 1 and product 2 and get the answer 22 lakh 38,306. Question number J. 964 into 12 is equal to 11,568. 964 multiplied by Tolu. Tolu means 10 plus 2. Product 1 is 964 into 2, 1928. Product 2 is 964 into 10 is 9640. Add product 1 and product 2, get the answer 11,568. Question number K. 9,095 into 20 is equal to 1,81,900. 9,095 into 20. 20 means 20 plus 0. Product 1 is 9,095 into 0 is 0. Product 2 is 9,095 into 20, 1,81,900. Answer is 1,81,900. Question number L. 3142 into 34 is equal to 1,06,828. 3142 multiplied by 34. 34 means 30 plus 4. Product 1 is 3142 into 4 is 12,568. Product 2 is 3142 into 30 is 94,260. Add product 1 and product 2, get the answer 1,66,828. Two point two. In a game, numbers written on the same shapes need to be multiplied by each other. Find the correct products. Product of the numbers in the rectangles is equal to 2087 into 78. Put the digits in their place value table. That is 2087 multiplied by 78. 78 means 70 plus 8. Product 1 is 2087 into 8. 16,696. Product 2 is 2087 into 70. 1,46,090. Add product 1 and product 2. Answer is 1,62,786. Product of the numbers in the vowels 673 into 34. 673 multiplied by 34. 34 means 30 plus 4. Product 1 is 673 into 4, 2692. Product 2 is 673 into 30, 20,190. Add product 1 and product 2, get the answer 22,882. Product of the numbers in the pentagons: 4,578 into 62. 2.2. 4,578 into 62. 4,578 multiplied by 62. 62 means 60 plus 2. Product 1 is 4,578 into 2 is 9,156. 4,578 into 60. Product 2 is 2,74,680. Add product 1 and product 2, get the answer 2,83,836.